as expected, I'll be focused more on driving than talking you through the madness that is happening underneath the bonnet of this EVO 8. If you like the Nürburgring, and assuming you do because you clicked on this video, go to nürburgring.com, where you can find all kinds of Nürburgring licensed products co-designed by me, ranging from socks to official Nürburgring 360 roadbook co-written by me, and even Christmas sweaters, including kids collection, and many, many more Nürburgring licensed products to come. So go to nürburgring.com, which stands for Nürburgring Embassy, and become our brand ambassador. Over there we have Mantai Racing that produces very fast Porsches, GT3, GT3 RS, MR, and here we have a Lancer EVO 8, also MR. That doesn't stand for Mantai Racing, but Mitsubishi Racing in this case. And allegedly, why Mantai is not using the MR name is because of this. And maybe also Toyota MR2. Or because a lot of people in US ask, like, do you convert my car to a Mr. car? What if I want to have a Mrs. car? All right, all the jokes aside, this is definitely no joke. So we have, what do we have?
2.3 stroker, Mitsubishi, is it 63 4G? I can't remember.
Yeah, with external wastegates spitting flames out of the bonnet. So totally legit, and lots of big flames because we already done a lap. And yeah, surprisingly, we did not get black flag, but maybe marshals didn't pay attention, because I would expect it to be very, very loud. Regardless, how many horsepower does it push?
650 on high boost.
Yeah, nice. That felt pretty much like that. An all-wheel drive, and low boost is like 430. 430. Yeah.
5 speed or 6 speed?
5.
Yeah, we can 6
I tried to have it a 6 speed, but
yeah, they end up in reverse.
yeah. No, amazing. Well, this speaks for itself. Something that works. Big turbo, big, or not that big, probably actually. How big is it?
It's a GTX
30, 35 maybe.
35, 82, yeah.
Yeah, but not too bad, because I think the GTR I drove recently was like 42 GTX or even GT, so that was a bit like very big. But this, especially for just a 2.3 liter, was phenomenal. Really loved it. But also, most importantly, it has also all the supporting mods. We have Alcon brakes, but do they come stock, I think? Or no. Yeah. Because some Evos, they do come with like some very spicy brakes. But yeah, anyway, Alcon big brake kit. What pads you running?
Carbatec.
Nice, Carbatec. We have 235, just 235 tire on the front. Is the back the same, or is it a bit? Yeah, square setup. So very nice. And what suspension are you on? Öhlins.
They're just covers to keep it, because they're gold underneath, you see, so we like to keep the red.
Nice. Very good. Yeah, big flames out of the wastegate, big flames out of the exhaust as well, I think. For the rest, yeah, short shifter from Cooler Works, and works very nicely. The wing, but I think it's factory. Yeah, for a MR edition, and
Toby titanium exhaust.
Nice titanium exhaust, and then I think we're mostly through it. I was wondering if it had like aftermarket LSD diffs, but you said it's just factory. So
diff on the back,
yeah,
and factory on the front.
Nice. And factory in the front.
Yeah, it's factory on the front.
Factory in the front. Yeah.
We've not changed the front one.
Okay. I think that's all there is to it, and not police friendly, as we found out as well. Or as Jack found out, not me. But yeah, loved it. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Fantastic.
So much,
I hope it looked all right from Brunchen.
Oh, it was brilliant,
yeah. We'll see if Stateside Supercars caught some of that. I tried to have some flames through certain sections where photographers were present. Not sure we got it. But Stateside Supercars used to have an EVO, I think 7 or 8 FQ, which stands for quick. Yeah. At least they say so. So I think he's gonna appreciate that. So maybe thumbnail material if the flame was big enough. But yeah, we definitely have some flames for our own thumbnail. Enjoy the lap. I'll be honest with you, this might be one of those laps where I'm gonna be terrified or busy with just paying attention to driving and surviving and not trying to talk you through what I feel. Because on paper, all the mods freaking impressive. Let's see if we catch some fire out of the external wastegate. Hope the all-wheel drive setting is good. Hope the alignment is good. Off we go. Woo. Very light, not that very direct. I wonder if it has like multiple LSDs or something. Woo! Really impressive. The brakes are good. Woo! I'm impressed. Let's just get used to this. Feels like the car indeed has form of extra LSDs or like locked differentials front and back, because off throttle the car rotates so much more nicer. I have a Hyundai 5N taxi. There is a GPS antenna flying around on the dash, so that's what you might be hearing. High boost setting. Impressive. Huh. And the turbo is amazing. Great brakes, amazing performance. I mean, Ioniq 5N is definitely not a slow car. Also in a taxi trim, those guys are freaking on it always. And they're like with 5 people. It really pulls out of the corners. Impressive. Yeah, as expected, I'll be focused more on driving than talking you through the madness that is happening underneath the bonnet of this EVO 8. I think it's 8. MR. Sing the song of your people to me. Insane. Oh man, that's a thumbnail right there. I think it's lowered the RPM because now it redlines much sooner, so let's cool down on the climb because there is nothing we can gain. So we're just gonna cruise through here and then we start pushing again. So the Ioniq can proceed, we will chill, and then I'll see you later. So we can also cycle through lower boost. Let's see. No. Yep. Now it's low boost. So gonna take it easy, let the car cool down, think about our life decisions of getting into this car. But wow, you may pass, we will see you in a bit. Maybe it only has 5 gears. I tried to put it in 6th. Happened once before with the EVO, if you remember the video. If you cannot find it, the owner asked me to take it down, so that's why you cannot find it. But yeah, alrighty. La 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 la, fast E36. To have some spitting flames in the carousel picture for a thumbnail, but yeah. Hello. Maybe another time. So, actually oil temperature 120, not too bad. Water is 89. I guess we can proceed. Second of realization. I wonder why it like went into not reduced power, but like it shifted the red line. Oh no, there's no 6th gear. Yeah, but everything else. Oh. A lot of smoke. Let's take it easy through here. I don't trust that smoke. Maybe just some diesel. Guy in the BMW was like massive thumbs up because he probably saw the flames spitting behind. Right, first a disclaimer. People are gonna think I'm gonna be skipping the queue. I'm not skipping the queue. The right lane is to go into the car park and hang out and find a parking spot. The left lane is to get off the track, and this is what we'll be doing. But about the car, insanity! This is one of the craziest setups I've driven. I mean, in terms of like spitting flames and everything. I don't really remember driving a car with external wastegate. It's really hot. Ooh. Don't remember driving a car with external wastegate. Of course, we had the multiple GTRs and other JDMs and other flame-spitting cars on the channel before out of the exhaust, but wastegate, I don't think so. And that's really something special. Probably gonna get banned for noise. I'm going to expect. But yeah, everything else works. Like brakes work, suspension tiny bit on the soft side, but you can solve it with some clicks, obviously. Really, really enjoyed it. So let's see if they're gonna tell me that I'm done for today, or the car. Yeah, he's looking on the license plate to see if it's us. La 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 la. Surprisingly enough, not. Or maybe they missed us. Oh well. Well, then maybe we didn't get banned. Maybe we didn't drive it hard enough, which is maybe a good thing. I don't know. So, yeah, I loved it. I really, really loved it. Could I wish for something more to figure out why it was holding back? I'm gonna be very slow. Usually I would do a tunnel run, but the car got stopped by the police on the way to me to do a lap. So yeah, let's not overdo it.